Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy snacks. And trust me, you won't even miss the junk food. We're talking flavor, texture, and satisfaction, all while being good to your body. Listen, I'm all about indulging in a proper feast now and then, but even I know the importance of a good, healthy snack. We've got 5 absolute stunners that'll have you ditching those processed, sugary nightmares. Get your aprons on, and let's get cooking. First up, we're tackling kale chips. Now, before you turn your nose up, these are not your average soggy, sad excuse for a snack. We're talking crispy, crunchy, flavor-packed bites that will leave you wanting more. Start with a bunch of fresh kale, and don't you dare bring in that pre-chopped rubbish. Give it a good wash, then tear it into bite-sized pieces, discarding those tough stems. Now, we need to dry it thoroughly. A salad spinner is your best friend here, but if you don't have one, pat it dry with a clean tea towel. Next, drizzle it with some olive oil. Just a drizzle, mind you. We don't want a soggy mess. Season generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of smoked paprika for a bit of a kick. You can get creative with the spices, though. A touch of garlic powder or even some chili flakes if you like it hot. Spread the kale out on a baking sheet. Make sure they're not overcrowded, and pop them in a preheated oven. Keep a close eye on them, though, because they can go from perfectly crisp to burnt in a blink of an eye. Once they're golden brown and crispy, take them out, let them cool, and try not to devour the entire batch in one go. See? Healthy snacking doesn't have to be boring. Next, we're having a go at a classic for a reason. Greek yogurt with honey and berries. It's light, it's refreshing, and it's packed with protein and probiotics. Did you know those probiotics are tiny little warriors fighting for the health of your gut? Now, I wouldn't use just any yogurt. We want that thick, creamy Greek yogurt, none of that watery stuff. Scoop a generous amount into a bowl. Yes, a bowl. This is a proper snack, not some dainty little appetizer. Drizzle over a bit of honey. And when I say a drizzle, I mean a drizzle. We're not making a dessert here. Now for the berries. Fresh or frozen, it doesn't really matter, but make sure they're good quality. Scatter them on top, and for an extra bit of crunch, sprinkle over some chopped nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, whatever you fancy. This is a snack you can feel good about. It's good for your gut, it's good for your taste buds, and it's bloody delicious. Let me tell you a story. It was a Tuesday, probably raining, service hadn't even started, and I was already craving something sweet. Now, I could have gone for the biscuits, the cakes, the pastries. You know I love those. But I had a service to run and I needed to stay sharp. So what did I do? I grabbed an apple and some almond butter. Now this isn't your average peanut butter and jelly situation. We're using almond butter because it's got that extra bit of sophistication, a nutty depth that elevates the humble apple to new heights. Slice your apple, any kind will do, but I'm partial to a Granny Smith for its tartness. Grab a dollop of almond butter. Not that processed rubbish filled with sugar and preservatives, mind you. Spread it on your apple slices, and there you have it. A snack fit for a Michelin star chef, or at least one who's trying to avoid a sugar crash. Now let's talk about hummus. This Middle Eastern staple is a godsend when it comes to healthy snacking. It's packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and it's incredibly versatile. You can dip just about anything in it. Carrots, celery, cucumbers, bell peppers, chop them into sticks, and you've got yourself a nutritious and delicious snack. And the hummus? You can buy it pre-made, of course, but making your own is incredibly simple and so much more rewarding. All you need are chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and a bit of olive oil. Blitz it all up in a food processor and you're good to go. You can even get creative with the flavors. Roast some red peppers for a smoky twist, or add some jalapenos for a bit of a kick. Finally, let's talk about chocolate. Yes, you heard me right. Chocolate can be part of a healthy diet, but there's a catch. It's gotta be dark chocolate. And it's gotta be good quality. None of that milky, sugary nonsense. We're talking at least 70% cocoa solids, the higher the better. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants, and it can actually help curb those sugar cravings. Pair a few squares of dark chocolate with a handful of nuts, almonds, walnuts, cashews, and you've got yourself a decadent and satisfying snack that won't derail your healthy eating habits. Trust me, this is the kind of indulgence you can feel good about. Well, there you have it. 5 healthy snack ideas that are so delicious, you'll forget all about those processed, sugary junk foods. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It's all about finding delicious and nutritious alternatives that you can enjoy without the guilt. So, ditch the crisps, ditch the sweets, and give these snacks a try. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and healthy snack ideas. See you next time.